The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued an extreme wind warning for Manatee County in west central Florida, Pinellas County in west central Florida, Hillsborough County in west central Florida, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Milton were moving onshore along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of South Bradenton to 25 miles southwest of Anna Maria to 52 miles southwest of St. Armand's Key, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for eastern Pinellas and central Hillsborough counties. At 6:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 4 miles northeast of Clearwater, or 2 miles west of Tampa International Airport, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly for those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain of mainly rural areas of eastern Pinellas and central Hillsborough counties, including the following locations: Tampa International Airport, Tampa, Temple Terrace, Busch Gardens, and University of South Florida. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Pinellas and Hillsborough.